Hey guys, welcome to Fire Food. In this video, I'll be making skirt steak with chimichurri sauce. Skirt steak is one of my favorite cuts of meat, and if you do it right, it's going to be very tender and flavorful. Let me show you how to do it, and let's make some fire foods. First off, I got my skirt steak ready to be seasoned. Add some olive oil, and I'm going to season it with salt, black pepper, cayenne to give it some heat, and finally add some paprika to get a nice color on the steak. Do it on the other side as well, and it's ready for the grill. I'm aiming for medium to medium rare, so it will only need about 2 minutes on either side on high heat. Now that the steak is ready, it's time to fire up the grill. Take the steak out of the grill, make sure to let it rest for at least 10 minutes. To cut it, turn the steak 90 degrees, then cut it across the grain for a more tender bite. I also made this amazing chimichurri sauce to go with it. I made this sauce in a previous video, so if you haven't seen it yet, I will leave the link to that video in the description down below. Now place your steak and add the chimichurri sauce on top, and let me tell you, you have to try it out. So try this recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And that's the end of the video guys. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.